Samsung TV apps keep crashing fix. Is your favorite app freezing or crashing right in the middle of a show? It is incredibly frustrating when you just want to relax. But don't worry, I have the verified fixes to get you back to streaming in no time. The first and easiest fix is a cold boot. This clears temporary glitches without deleting any data. To do this, press and hold the power button on your remote until the TV turns off and back on again. If that does not work, unplug the TV from the wall. Wait for 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Next, let us check your connection. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Network Status. Ensure your internet is stable. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz for better speed. For a more stable fix, go to IP settings and change your DNS server to 8.8.8.8, which is Google's public DNS. Outdated software is a common cause of crashes. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update and select Update Now. Also, check for individual app updates in the Apps section. Keeping your firmware current ensures compatibility with the latest streaming standards. If only one app is crashing, try clearing its cache. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Device Care, then select Self-Diagnosis and then TV Device Care. From there, select Manage Storage. Find the problematic app and select View Details to clear cache. If it still crashes, delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. If multiple apps are failing, you may need to reset the Smart Hub. This refreshes the entire platform. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Device Care, then go to Self-Diagnosis and select Reset Smart Hub. You will need to enter your PIN, which is usually 0000. Note that you will need to sign back into your apps after this. As a last resort, performing a factory reset will return the TV to its original state. Go to Settings, then go to General, then select Reset. This will erase all settings and data, so only do this if nothing else has worked. It is a powerful way to clear deep-rooted system errors. Please comment below if you face any difficulty, and I will personally reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech solutions. You have got this, and your TV will be running smoothly in no time. Reassurance is just a fix away.